Hey guys, thanks for checking out. So as you probably learned by now, Google Maps has changed their API policy. It used to be free for everybody to use. You did not even have to register or do anything to use it. That has changed. Now you must register and you must have billing info assigned to the account in order to use it. They still have a free tier. Most of our clients fall into that free tier. Let me just go ahead and check that out. Google Maps API pricing. So yeah, 25,000 map loads per day. So unless your contact page or whatever other page is using maps gets more than 25,000 visits a day, you're not going to pay anything for this. Most of our clients are going to fall into that. We do have a small handful where it is crucial to the application, and they were paying for this anyway because the free tier always ended and stopped working after a certain way. Google has just shifted where they want to be able to automatically bill now instead of turning people's sites off and dealing with complaints about the site not working and things like that. So in order to activate your account, you are going to have to go to which you can see right here in the browser window, console.cloud.google.com. And then once the page loads, make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Make sure that it's the Google or the one that you're going to be able to communicate and attach your billing, everything like that. You might get a pop-up about terms of service. Go ahead and do what you think's best there. I'm going to decline email up. I'm going to accept the terms of service. Cool. Now what we'll do is we will create a project here. And you can go ahead and name this your website, okay? So I'm going to just name it my website. You should use www.whatever.com, which you can go ahead and do. So instead of .com, just use .com, so no periods, no dashes, no spaces. You don't need to worry about organization unless you are in an organization. So organization is, for example, like the International Holding Company has a Google account, and then each individual LLC would be its own organization underneath that holding account. So they actually have this set up. They would go ahead and click it. Most of our clients don't have to worry about that. So we'll go ahead and press create. Okay, so we'll go ahead and select that project now. Click the down arrow. Go to mywebsite.com. Hey guys, so part of this video, Google changed their user interface, so we're rolling out an update. So you may be dumped into a screen like this, and then in that case, we're going to go ahead and click on Dashboard. And then from Dashboard, you'll go ahead and click on Explore and Enable APIs. Cool, so once you're here, you're going to want to enable APIs and services. And then you're going to want the Maps JavaScript API right here. If you don't see it right here on the top of your screen, then go ahead and type in Maps JavaScript, and it should come up. So Maps JavaScript API, we'll go ahead and click that. Go ahead and click on Enable. After clicking Enable, you may be dumped to a screen like this. So we'll go ahead and click on the Maps JavaScript API. We'll look for credentials on the left-hand corner, and we'll go ahead and click on that. So we won't have any credentials yet, so we'll want to go ahead and click on Create Credentials on the top here. And you want to select API key. You're going to want to go ahead and copy what's here. We'll need that later on, so go ahead and paste that into an email over to us. We'll go ahead and click on Close. So next, what we want to do is restrict the API key so that way just random people on the internet can't use your account and bill it through. So we're going to go ahead and click on the API key we just selected, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the HTTP refers. So we need to add your website, so we'll go ahead and click on that. So you'll do star.yourwebsite.com. Make sure you replace yourwebsite.com with whatever your domain is, followed by a slash and a star. We'll go ahead and click on done. And then one other thing that we need to do is star.dev.securedatatransit.com/star. This will allow our development team to also use that key in testing and QA. So you'll hit done. So you'll have your website, you'll have the dev.securedatatransit key listed there. And then you'll go ahead and click on save. Step is that we're going to have to enable billing. So if we go click on the Google Cloud Platform in the top right here, you can go ahead, pop in billing. This project has no billing, so we'll want to go ahead and link a billing account. You'll create a billing account. And then you'll go ahead and you'll fill this stuff out. You'll go ahead, put your business type, name, address, all that good info. You'll add your credit card info and click Start Free Trial. You may get a pop-up like this once you go ahead and save, and you could just click away from it and it'll close. That's it. So the credit card's tied to it. I have billing set up. We have your Google Maps API key. You have $300 worth of credit if the promotion's still going on, which is really for all the other stuff, because your website's probably not going to go over 25,000 free views a day unless you're building a web app, in which case we've already had this discussion and you've been directed to this video to specifically do that. But that's it. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, we can always set up a call, a screen share, and do this together. But hopefully this video walked you through the process from start to finish on what you need to do, how to get us the API key, and what we need. Thanks so much.